How we're going to use it finance. Let's start to how to solve the problem to this correctly. So basically, this is type of aided lastly and do in many because the hardware is too much rusting the coaster will be actually of oxygen and water, so that's why the hardware is too much rusty. So this is well, there's a 50% chance if your teams have only safety mode, so you can still discover it, but as battery is no longer working, so it depends on your luck. So maybe the first chance to get this battery because the single cell of this EV battery cost around $10 or $10 maybe. So this is cheaper to both lithium and phosphate battery. Basically use it electric vehicle. So this is not costly. This is a highly used battery. About to compare to lithium batteries, this is still more durable. So I'll move that outer torso component the first a gasket and upper mount container. This research was earlier. So okay, let's look at this one. The positive cell and other ground of the water. Let's start with the supposed multimeter. Let's check if still working or done. So I'll just set the visibility. So this is working a very long time. Okay, let's see. This is still working on please be precautious and make sure to safety if you want to do this type of work. So there's a good chance to protect yourself. Okay, so this is the side of the positive side. So basically this need to form a medium and also acts as a fuse. And whenever it's short circuit, the fuse gets separated and the battery is safely. Let's see if they're working or not. Because I also was the suspicious ones to get back this type of battery. So last two, and I think more metal still some problem. So I just wrap some wires and connect the processor. It's still working or not. The first step. Yes, that's good. That's a good idea. Because it's 100% so the battery is still working. So this is the worst thing, and you don't need any multimeter. And let's check the voltage of this wall. The first is the ground cell, and our option is to okay. I just set much better to this voltage this one. Okay, let's try to Listen, because if you wrong terminate, you might will get wrong. I think the ultimate will go. Okay, I forgot to set the reset button. So now I reset the our component. You see this is around 3 volt, and this good idea to identify if this battery is still working or not. So if I put this lead the top of batteries, is still working. So this is how it's and I solve it. But I already mentioned this is only a 50-50 chance. I'll depend on the luck and the health of your battery. From the battery pack, I will cover many type of this battery and begin a new life to battery. So that's it. And okay. So this is also okay, and contact is also okay. So thanks for watching, and I will doubt to please share in the comment section. So goodbye, see you in the next video.